the pair of AR-6 speaker badges, but as they usually do, these are old and they tend to tarnish, and it's hard to get a lot of this off. I tried some rubbing compound, I tried some Rasco, so I'm going to go back to what I'm used to using, and that's this wet and dry 400 grit. And basically what I'm going to do is just rub it on this until I polish it up. So I use a little water and a little elbow grease, and I've had great success doing it that way. So what I'm going to do is just lay the paper down and wet it, and I'm just going to rub it back and forth until it polishes. It's polishing up nicely already. Let's take a look. Faster than I thought. Polishing. Wow, it's nice. So that was quick. It's just this 400 grit. I'm gonna after this I'll use some 600. So dry this off, and you can see the difference, the comparison of the two badges. So this is the old one, which is kind of pitted and tarnished, and this is the new one. And then I'm going to rub some color into the numbers and then wipe it off. So that should look pretty good. Again, this is the comparison of the two badges. And this is the old one. And the film doesn't even show you how bad it looks. It has like spots on it, pitted spots on it. And this one, after just rubbing it on the 400 grit, really polishes it. A little more. I'm just going to buff it up with some 600. It almost feels like there's nothing on it, on the paper, but it just, it's so fine that it just kind of polishes it. Yeah, that's what you want. It looks, this will give it that mirror finish. This gives it that nice smooth mirror finish now. Looks like they're brand new. Looks like brand new badges. Let's do the same thing with this one, and then I'm gonna rub some paint into the letters and the number to enhance it. And what's good when you do that, it'll be in relief. The surface is higher than the numbers, so the paint will go into the numbers, and then I just wipe the excess off. There we go. Yes. Mirrors, mirror finish. Next step is the grill covers. The grill fabric just came into, so I'm going and put the new grill covers on for the AR-6s. I'm still waiting for the capacitors to come in. Once they get the capacitors together, then the rest of the speaker can be reassembled. Alright, that's good. That's very good. Okay, so I'm going to mix some paint. This is like a water soluble oil-based paint. So I wanted to mix, I mixed a little red and a little bit of brown together to give it that deep burgundy color that I've seen in some of the lettering. So basically what I'm going to do is similar to what is done with printing or etchings, is that you can just basically almost smear the paint on. And just get that paint. We got the like this, and I get the, let's see if I can show you. See the color to show through, and that was just by rubbing the paint into it and then wiping the excess off the top. So if you get some of these old badges that are engraved in like this, you can bring back the numbers. You can put the numbers back in. So it's that easy. And I'll just let these dry. Now I have nice looking badges with the color. It looks like the original. So I just mixed a little red with burnt sienna and then rubbed it in. And I'll just let these dry. See the colors now. So two nice looking AR6 badges, and you can do black or the burgundy. I like the burgundy. I thought it was classy what they did with the burgundy. I had some AR4s with the burgundy like this, so just wanted to show you that you can restore these old badges to look like new.